Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome back to our second PU Computer Science online classes. Class, we completed one simple program, that is the rules for SOP reduction. In today's class also we are going to complete the second example or second problem about our SOP reduction. And we know that reduce, the question may be the reduce F, A, B, C, D and sigma M, that is our symbol of the SOP, and some of the values they already provided given in the question. The values are 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we know that how to complete. We already know the rules about the SOP reduction. And first of all, 4 variables are there, then sure we can say that how many squares or how many or what's the number we need to use in our variable A, B, C and D. So 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 squares, and 16 squares going to start from 0 to 15. So just only for your convenient, okay, 0 to 15 you have to write in our left side. And later next one we need to take the value for the first column 8081, B column 4041, 4041, C column 2021, 2021 and 2021. It will continue till 0 to 15, the same value 2021. And later for the last column, the name of the column is the D, and we are going to take the value as the 010101 till the end, till 0 to 15, like that only it will continue. Okay, so this is some of the values we already taken, depend on the number of the variable we started. We are going to prepare the K-map. Not just only the 4 column we need one more column. The name of the column is the F, that means we know that. So in case of the F column, we are going to enter the value as the 1 as the, or for the output as the 1 in case of the F column. Clear this part here? Now after that, just in front of the number 7, I am using the output as the 1. In place of 9, the output as the 1. 10, the output as the 1. 11 also, the output as the 1. In place of the 12, okay. So whatever the value is there, 12, we need to take the output as the 1. 13 value, we need to take the output as the 1. 14, the output as the 1, and 15, the output as the 1. So we can say that whatever the values they are using, they are providing, giving in our question, in front of such value we need to take the output as 1 in our SOP reduction forming, okay, or the form here. And whatever the numbers are not there in the question, in front of such number we need to take the output as the 0. So clear this point here. So this is our first step in our SOP reduction rule. Now we are going to take the second step. In our second step we know that we need to draw an empty K-map, and how to draw or what's the value or which value, how many squares we need to complete the empty K-map here. Maybe the variable, that 2 variable functions, correct no kya? 3 variable function we are going to complete. 4 variables, we need to use the 4 variable, that is from 0 to 15, and such value we need to use correctly by using the numbering scheme 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6 here, and 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay, like that we are going to take the value. And after we know that why, because this is the AB set and this one is the CD set, and for wherever the value 0 is there, I am going to use the complementation, complement A, complement B. For second thing, complement A, just only the B. For third thing, A, B, okay. And the fourth one is about our A and complement B. And later next one is complement complement C, complement D. Okay, so this is at the top of the K map, and again we need to use the binary code, binary number values, whatever we added in our left side, like that only we need to take for the 4 variable K map 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So complement C, complement D, complement C, D, and C, D, C, complement D, and we know that about this one, and later we know to use, we know that how to use the numbering scheme. So 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 8 9 11 10. Okay, so this is the numbering scheme, and now we need to take the numbers, the question numbers, and where we need to take the output as the 1. So in place of the 7 we need to take the output as the 1, in place of the 9 the output as the 1, in place of the 10 output as 1, in place of the 11 output as the 1, place of 12 13 14 and the 15 we need to take the output as the 1. Now after taking the output as the 1, later words we need to take the we need to enter the zeros in all left out empty squares. Correct? No, whatever the questions number are not there in our questions here, in such places we need to take the output as the 1. That means our in all the numbering squares. Okay. Now later words we need to find out whether it is equal to the octet, quad, pairs, but do not forget map rolling, that is called as roll the map, and also overlap. Clear this point? So now when you are going to search, what about here? So first of all we can say that the M7 and M15 that is equal to pair. Clear? Is it clear? 7 and 15 that is equal to the pair. So 2 ones are there. Now what about the 12, 13, 15, 14? How many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So here we can say that that is equal to quad 1. Okay. First one 7, 15 that is equal to the pair 1. 2 ones are there. So we can make it as the pairs here. But second thing 12, 13, 15, 14. How many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So that is equal to the quad. Okay. So now I already completed 12, 13, 15 and 14. Now later words again some of the ones are there. We need to make it maybe as a quad pair, depend. So we can say that this is about the overlapping. The overlapping means the same one can be encircled. Correct? No? The same one can be encircled more than once here. So same thing I am going to take the quad 2. I already taken 13 and 15 here, 13 and 15, but also in this case I am going to use the overlapping. The same one can be encircled more than once. Clear this point here? So I am going to take the second quad. The second quad by taking the number that is the 13, 15, 9, 11. Clear this one? Quad 1 is the simple, very simple, that is going to move in horizontal manner left to the right by taking the number 12, 13, 15, 14. And the second quad, it is example for the overlapping 13, 15 we already taken. Now just by taking 9, 11 we can make it 4 ones and we can make such one as the quad here. Correct here? So this is the example for the quad 2. So quad 2. The numbers are 13, 15, 9, 11. Not just only the quad 2, one more quad is there when you are going to think about this one. Correct? No? This about 1, still here we didn't take such one here. So I am going to take, I already taken 14, 15, 11. The 14, 15, 11. Now by taking this one, I am again going to make it as the quad. So the third quad is the 15, 14, 11 we already taken. Now just by taking this one we can make it as the third quad. Okay. So again I am repeating pair 1 7, 15, quad 1 12, 13, 15, 14, quad 2 13, 15, 9, 11, quad 3 15, 14, 11, 10. Okay. Now we are going to take the third step. Third step we already completed. Correct? No? The third one is map the given function and search for the that means first of all we need to take the output as the 1 and later entering the zeros in all left out empty squares, and also we completed, maybe we searched whether it is equal to the octet, quad and also the pairs here, and already we know about this one. The map rolling is not there in this example, but overlapping example is there, correct? No? And lastly, after knowing the overlapping, now I'm going to complete the solution. Okay, what's the reduction expression value for this example? So first of all, I'm going to take the pair 1. The pair 1, 7 and 15. So when you are going to take the 7 value, that is complement A, complement B, complement A, complement B, and also we need to take the value our complement, that is the complement K, and later next one we need to take just only the B, clear the spot here. So this is this value. Now I want to use this value complement A, B, and later next one is the C, D, and after that the 15th value, that is the A, B, C, D. Okay, the A, B, C, D. Now when you are going to take, we need to remove one variable. The variable is the complement A and A. Correct? No? Some difference is there in between complement A and A. If any differences in between the variable, we need to remove the variable. So answer is the B, C, D. So clear this point here. So this is the answer, the reduction, the expression for the pair 1. The answer is the B and C and D here. Now after knowing our pair answer, now we are going to search for the quad 1, and we know that the quad 1 very simple, that is M12 in a horizontal manner, M15 and the M15. Okay, M12, how we are going to take, the value is the 12, the value is the A, B, and later next one complement C, complement D. Now 13 value, that is the A, B, and later next one complement C, D, plus 15 value, that is our very simple, there no any complementation, directly we can write, and later next one the 14 value, that is our A, B, C, complement D, and after that I am going to make the comparison in between the values. The value is the A, B, no changes, complement C, but when you are going to think about complement D and D, we need to remove the variable, plus now after that A we need to take, B also no any changes, C, and here also we need to remove the D and complement D here, and later again we need to make the comparison. We know that the quad remove how many variables? The quad remove 2 variables. Still here the one variable we already removed, correct? No, here the D variable we removed. Now we need to remove one more variable. We know that the final result is we will get in 2 variable only. So when you are going to think about this result here, we will get the answer is the A, B. Clear this point here? So the complement C and C going to remove in this example. Now let's, after knowing the quad 1 answer, now we are going to find out our quad 2. So the quad 2 is the M13, M15, 9, 11. Okay, 13, 15, 9, 11. So now I am going to take the value, that is our 13 value. So this is the 13 value. So we can take, one is the A, B, and later next one complement C and D. Now 15 value, that is our A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D, and the 9 value A complement B, A complement B, and later next one complement C, D, plus 11 value, that is the A complement B, and later next one is C, D. But always should remember, before going to take the value or after taking the value, once you have to check it. Clear this point here? So whether all those value, whatever the value you have taken, is it correct or not here? So we can say that now I just completed the value 13, 15, 9, 11. I am going to search for the answer for the quad 2. So when you are going to compare which value we need to remove, the A, B and C value we need to remove. The answer is the A, B, D. Okay, when you are going to compare the first expression and the second expression, and later next one also we need to make the comparison in between the third and the fourth. So A no any effect, B value also no any effect here, but we need to remove the C. So the answer is the, when you are going to compare the third and the fourth expression, the result A complement B and D, but also it is not the final result. The final result we can say that we need to make the comparison. When you are going to make a comparison, the answer will get as the, we need to remove the B variable, so we will get the answer in A, D. Clear this point here? So the answer is A, D. Now also one more calculation is there for the quad 3, and after getting all such group value we need to OR them. Correct note here? So this is some example. Now also the calculation quad 3 is there. Now the quad 3 calculation 15, 14, 11, 10. 15 value. Now 15, 14, 11, 10. We know that pair 1 BCD answer, quad 1 AB, quad 2 AD, quad 3. Now we need to find out the value. Clear this point? Now ABCD 15 value, no any doubt, we can write the value ABCD, and after that 15 is over. Now 14 value I want to take, so AB C complement D, the 11 value A complement B C D, plus 10 value is the A complement B C complement D, and after completing, now I am going to make the comparison in between the values. So A, B, C, no any problem. We need to remove complement D and D, plus here also the third and fourth expression we need to make the comparison. So A complement B, no changes, and C, there is no changes in the values. Okay, now we can say that it is not the final result, and after getting which value going to remove, that means we can say that the changes in between the value B and complement B. So the final answer is the AC. Clear this point here? So this is the answer about our the quad 3 or reduced expression for quad 3, that is the AC. So finally it is not now still here just only the 4 marks, but also if you want the 5 marks we need to form the SOP. Okay, so SOP we are going to form as the BCD. This is the pair 1 answer, AB it is the answer of the quad 1, AD answer of the quad 2, and the last answer is our quad 3, that is the AC. So now SOP forming answer BCD plus A and B plus A and D plus A and C. Now we already completed 2 programs by using this concept. Concept is the rules for SOP reduction. But still here we completed by using the variable A, B, C, D. Now in this example we are going to change the name of the variable, that is WXYZ. Okay, the WXYZ here. So we know that the concept is the rules for SOP reduction. The question reduce the WXYZ, the symbol of the SOP, and some of the numbers they already provided given in the question. The numbers are 0, 4, 8, 12, 2, 14, 10. And our first step, we know that first of all we are going to prepare the truth table, and 4 variables are there. The name of the variable WXYZ. So how they provided in question like that only, we need to take the name of the variable. We can't change the name of the variables. So I am going to take the variable name WXYZ, and one more column, the name of the column is the F. And just for our convenience, in left side 4 variables are there, WXYZ. So 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 squares. So So I am going to start, that is from the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 till the number 15 I am writing. Okay. Now the first column I am using the values as the 8 zeros, 8 1. Second column for X column 40, 41, 40, 41. For third column, name of the column is the Y, 2021, 2021 till the number from 0 to 15. I am going to continue like that only. And for the column Z, I am using the number as the very simple 01, 01, 01, 01. So clear this point. So first of all, we prepare the truth table. And one more column is that depend on the number in the question. I am taking the value for such number as the output as 1. So in place of 0, output 1, 4, output 1 here. Okay. The 2, in place of the 0, output 1, 4, output 1, 8, output 1, 12, output 1, 2, output 1, 14, and also to the number 10, I am taking the output as the 1, and in rest of the side, I am using the value as the 0. Now, this is called as the step 1, prepare truth table for a given function. Now, the second thing, I am going to complete K. So, I am drawing the K-map, draw an empty K-map for a given number of the functions. For 2 variable K-map, 2 functions, correct no? 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4 squares. We need just only 4 squares. Maybe 3 variable, 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 8 squares we need. We are going to start from 0 to 7, the numbering scheme, and also maybe our we can say that 4 variables are there. For in this example like that only, maybe A, B, C, D or W, X, Y, Z, any name variable 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 squares. Correct here? So I am using and numbering scheme as the 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14 and 8, 9, 11, 10. In left side, WX set, at the top of the K-map, YZ set. And using sum of the left as well as the top of the K-map, the value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And we know that wherever the value 0 is there, sure we need to take the complementation. So X, W, complement of X and complement Y, complement Z, complement Y, Z, Y, Z, Y, complement Z. Later, in place of number 0, need to take the value as the 1. In place of 4, the value as 1, 8 as 1 and 12. Okay. Now 2, number in place of the number 2, value 1, 14, value 1 and 10, the value 1. And we know that in rest of the side, how we are going to take the value. So, the 0 value we need to take. Clear this point here? The 0 value we need to take here. Now, when you are going to check or when you are going to think about whether it is equal to the octet, no, there is no any 8 ones are there together. We can't say it is example for the octet. Now, secondly, we need to give importance to the quad. So, we know that how many ones are going to use in our quad group. 4 ones are there. So, very simply we can say that the 0, 4, 12, 8 that is equal to the quad 1. Okay. So, the value 0, 4, 12, 8 that is quad 1. So, we already know about this one 0, 4, 12, 8. Now, secondly, again we are going to search whether any map rolling, overlapping or any type of groups are there, maybe the octet pairs or maybe any quad rule. So, when you are going to think about this one, see, maybe I already taken 0 and 8 once, but still I didn't take the value 2 and 10. Correct, no? So, when you are going to take with the value 0, 8, the value are 2 and 10. Again, we can say that here one more quad is there, and this is the example of the map rolling. We know the meaning of the map rolling. The map rolling means the left edge touch to the right, the left edge touch to the right, the top edge touch to the bottom, top touch to the bottom. So we can say that now the second quad, that is our 0, 2, 8, 10. Okay, the quad 2, 0, 2, 8, 10. Now later next one. Now again one more. Why? Because every once we already taken. Now just this one is there. So you have to think about whether it is equal to the pairs. No. Why? Because first of all we need to search for the octet. Sure, there is no any octet. Secondly, we need to give importance to the quad. We already taken 12, 8 and the number 10. But when you are going to add with these three ones, one more number, the number is the 14. Again we can say that it is the example of the quad. Clear this point here? The 4 ones are there. Why? Because mostly first of all we need to take the bigger group. So octet, there is no any octet, but quad is there here. So that means it's going to reduce 2 variables. Correct, Nitya? If you are going to take as a pair, just only it reducing one variable. It depends on the K-map, and you have to think it, how to take, how to make the group, whether it is equal to the octet to quad or each and everything. But first of all give importance to the octet, then for the quad, finally for the pairs here, and also importance to the map rolling overlapping. Clear this point? Now again the quad 3. Quad 3 is the 12, 8 and 14 and 10. So we can say that again quad 1, 0, 4, 12, 8. Quad 2, 0, 2, 8, 10. Quad 3, 12, 8, 14, 10. Now the calculation for our quad 1. The quad 1 value 0, 4, 12. So the 0 value complement x, complement x, complement y, complement z. Okay. 4 value, that is our complement w, x, complement y, complement z. 12 value wx, complement y, complement z. 8 value w, complement x, complement y, complement z. Okay, now this is the value. Now you have to make the comparison. Complement w we need to take, but we need to remove which value? The x value. Complement y and the complement z. Okay, clear this point here? Why I removed the complement x and x? We know that the variable changes their state, that is from complemented to the uncomplemented, or vice versa. We need to remove the variable. So when you are going to check the first expression and the second expression, we need to remove complement x and x, and later we need to make the comparison. The comparison is the w, and later next one x also. Here we need to remove complement y and complement z. There is no any changes, so we need to take in the expression as a result. Clear this point here? So, and after that again we need to make the comparison, whatever the result is there in between first and second, third and fourth. Okay, so this is the third and fourth result, and this one is the first and second expression result here. And when you are going to make the comparison, the result of first and second, the result of third and fourth, again which value we need to remove? The value is the complement w. Okay, the complement w. So the result is the complement y, complement z. And now I am searching for the quad 2. Okay, so now we know that complement y, complement z, it is the result. Now I am search for the quad 2. So the quad 2 is the 0, 2, 8, 10. So M0, the value is complement W, complement X, complement Y, complement Z. Clear this point? How I am going to take the value? Left side value, top value, complement W, complement X, complement Y, complement Z. Now the second value is the complement W, complement X, Y, complement Z. The 8th value W, complement X, complement Y, complement Z, and later the 10th value W, complement X and Y, complement Z. Okay. Now we know that some of the expression that is from 0 to 8, 10. Now I am going to make the comparison. So the comparison, complement W, no any changes. We need to take complement X also. We need to use, when you are going to think about complement Y and Y, there is some changes. So we need to remove the variable and complement Z. Okay, we need to take the value. There is no any changes. Plus, now third and fourth expression. So W and later next one complement X we need to take, and after that we need to remove which variable, complement Y and Y, complement Z we need to take here. Okay. Now we know that it is not the final result. It is just only the result of first and second comparison result and third and fourth comparison result. Again we need to remove. Correct here? We know that quad node, it removes two variable only. So the result is the complement X, complement Z. Clear this point here? The result is the complement X, complement X and the complement Z. So this is our quad 2 result. Now we know that the quad 1 reduction expression value, complement Y, complement Z. Quad 2 reduction expression value, complement X and complement Z. Now we are searching the result for our quad 3. So quad 3 is equal to 12, 8, 14, 10. Okay. So the 12, 8, 14, 10. Now 12 value I am taking. We know that left side value and the top side value we need to take. So the value will get Wx complement Y, complement Z. Now 8 value W, complement X, complement Y, complement Z. The 14 value, the left side value Wx and left Y, complement Z, and the 10 value is the W, complement X, Y, complement Z. Later next one, we just going to make the comparison in between the values. We need to remove W, no any changes in first variable, both are equal, so we need to take the values variable. Now complement X and X, some changes is there, so we need to remove complement Y and complement Z, there is no any changes. So this is the result of first and second expression. Now we need to make the comparison in between third and fourth. When you are going to make a comparison, the answer is the W, Y and complement Z. Okay, so X and complement X going to remove. Clear this point here? In third and fourth expression. And lastly, when you are going to compare the result of first and second, the result of third and fourth. So which variable we need to remove? That means W we need to take here and complement Z we need to take the values. So the result value is the W, complement X. Okay, and final we know that the SOP expression, that is this is our quad 1 result. Okay, complement Y and complement Z. Quad 2 result, complement X and complement Z. Now just we got one more result, that is our quad 3. The result is the W, complement Z. Okay, so this is the answer about the reduction by using WXYZ and 0, 4, 8, 12 to 14, 10. So SOP forming complement Y, complement Z plus complement X and complement Z plus W and complement Z. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.